Between which two consecutive whole numbers does root 11 lie? So they want us to find out consecutive, that is coming one after another. Like after 5 there comes 6, after 99 there comes 100. So they want them to be consecutive, that is the numbers which are coming one after another, and they should be whole numbers, so 5, 6 starting with 0. Okay, so which of the two consecutive whole numbers does root 11 lie? So we have to find out what can be those two consecutive numbers. Fill out the sentences below to justify your answer and use your mouse to drag root 11 to an approximate correct location on the number line. All right. So first we find out root 11, like which are the two consecutive whole numbers in which root 11 can be lying on. Now, the first thing that we see is what are the squares. Let's say 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. Now, we know that the 11 is lying between 9 and 11. So if we are taking 9 and 11, sorry, 9 and 16, the 11 is lying between that. If 11 is lying between that, that means if we are taking the square root of all these, these three numbers, all of these three numbers, it should be also lying between the square root of 9 and 16. The square root of 11 is also lying between square root of 9 and 16. Okay, we know what is the square root of 9?
Square root of 9. It's 3.
3. Square root of 16?
Square root of 16 was 4.
4. So we found two consecutive numbers which are 3 and 4 in which between which root of 11 is lying. This is how we are going to find out. So they will be giving us some specific number and we just find out what are the perfect square numbers that we know about by squaring the numbers, and what number is that particular number that they have said is lying between. So we will be knowing the two consecutive numbers like 3 and 4 is here. And over here we will write, since root of 9 is 3 and root of 16 is 4, it is known the root 11 is lying between 3 and 4. So we just have to do the squares, find out where that particular number is lying between. Square root of all of them will give us that specific two numbers in between which that particular square root they are asking for is going to lie. So root 9 is 3, root 16 is 4. That's why root 11 is lying between 3 and 4. Any questions in this one?
No.
The second thing they are saying, after that, use your mouse, drag root 11 to an approximate correct location on the number line. So when you're going to do it on your screen, we are going to take this root 11 because it's lying between 3 and 4. So we are going to drag it in between these numbers. Now, if we see 9 and 16, what do you think? Is it closer to 9? Is it closer to 16?
It's closer to 9.
Because here it's just plus 2. The difference is 2. And on the other side, the difference is 5. It's closer to 9. So that means it is going to be closer to the 3 point. So we can just say in between anywhere the system will take in. The root 11 is going to be in between somewhere 3 and 3.5. That's all you wanted to tell. Any question in any part?
No.
All right. Let's go then.